Hey Legacy Builders, welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha and I'm going to be sharing with you our investment update for the month of October and our goals looking ahead into November. Okay, so the number one thing we wanted to do in the month of October is to invest via Fidelity IRA and to buy more realty income. So I did that today, $123.73 on October 7th, and they gave us a little more than 2 shares. So we have 2.129 shares, which is still great because we only had half a share before. So every share makes a difference, you guys, even the fractional ones. All right, you guys. So here is how much we have available to trade. $123.73. Of course, I only transferred 100, but $23.73, maybe those were dividends or cash that I had just forgotten to actually trade with and buy some assets. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and purchase O. So we are purchasing as many shares of O, which is realty income, that we can. And Fidelity now allows us to buy fractional shares. So let's go ahead to O and see how much we can get today with this 123.73. Okay, so this is O. And right now, I'm already in the red, but we know that's what's happening. Current last price was $58.06. So we should be able to get 2, maybe 2.25, something like that. Right now we have half a share. Okay. Market. Okay. We want the market price. Right now it's saying 58.15. I'm gonna buy in dollars. Now it's 58.10. So let's place the order. Good. On January 18th of 2022, I bought a fractional share. Looks like it was a half a share. And then today, October 7th, I got 2 shares at $116.72, and then I have 0.129 worth of a share for $7.49. Hopefully next week we'll get up to 4. See how it goes. So if you're interested in this type of video, please click like and please comment down below. Are you investing? And where do you get most of your budgeting and I should say budgeting, but investing inspiration from? I can tell you right now, I get mine from Shalise over at Mommy Trader, which is why I'm using her investing workbook. She is sharing, she's the Oprah of the investing world, okay? Building wealth one share at a time. I also like to listen to quite a few other people, but 2 that really stand out for me are Minority Mindset, because I love the channel. And also, I was just turned on to Stocks with Larry, because Miss Shalise over at Mommy Trader did an amazing interview with her after she met him at FinCon. And I have been watching his videos like constantly in the past several weeks. So he's also an inspiration. Let me know who your inspiration is down below. All right. So in the month of October, we were focused on increasing our positions in realty income. Ticker symbol is O. And I've been investing money via my Roth IRA. Okay, with Fidelity. Now, as of the end of October, we're looking at a balance in my IRA at $7.49 with 56 cents. And that's about less than 1% change. The market has been doing all kinds of flips and tricks and all the things. It's been going down, but it has been increasing. We have not yet hit our limit of $6,000, of course, to be invested via the IRA or our contributions, but we are still working it out. And I wanted to share with you how much we've invested and when we've invested throughout the month of October. I've been recording little snippets here and there just to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to insert them here, and then we're going to get into talking about how we did with our goals, if we met any of those goals, and how many shares we have now in O, since we're working towards 100 shares of this stock. All right, so here is a clip from October 12th, 2022. We are looking at what our current positions are in O with realty income. So we had purchases on January 18th, October 17th,
October 7th. And now we're going to buy more money. We have $114.01 available to trade with. So that's the exact amount that we're going to use to buy some shares on October 12th. Realty Income was trading at $57.77 a share. So again, we're buying in dollars, and thankfully Fidelity does give us the opportunity to buy fractional shares. So we will get a little over 1 share here, and we're going to also, of course, execute this at market price, okay, at the current market price. On this day, we were able to place an order a little after 12 p.m. and there we have it. So now when we look at Realty Income, that purchase gave us a little more than 1 share, almost 2, but not quite. You can see that one portion was traded at $57.77, the other was traded at $56.15, but I thought it was a good buy. As of November 2nd, O is now trading down, and which is okay because it's not going to be there forever. It's actually much higher per share than it was in the beginning of October. So I bought a few shares for under $60. I think it was about $58 and some change. And right now it's trading at $61.52. Please remember this disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a fiduciary. I'm not a CPA. I am not qualified to give investment advice. I'm just sharing this journey for educational and inspirational and entertainment purposes only. Okay. So this is what we plan for the month. Invest via Fidelity IRA, which we have been doing. Use side income more to invest. I did not earn as much side income in the month of October as I wanted to be able to invest, but because we were focused on saving a little bit more. But I do plan on investing some of my side income in the month of November. So that we did not do in October, but we will going forward, and buy more Realty Income. We did do that. So as of as of November 2nd, we have 4.6 shares. Okay, I'm just going to write that in a little box here. We have 4.601 actually shares of O. And at this time, at the beginning of the month, it was trading around $58 and some change. Now, as of November 2nd, when I'm recording this video, it is trading at $61.52. So we've already got some gains and we've earned some dividends, which is important to me because that is a passive way of growing our wealth over time. And we definitely want to make sure our dividends are paying us when it's time for us to completely retire. So that is how we ended the month of October. Now I would really like to talk about what our plan is for November. November is very simple. $230 is our goal amount to be invested, and this is between 10:30 and 11:26. That's the full month of November for me. That's the tracking period. Use challenge money to buy more of O, which is Realty Income. Again, we're focused on building up 100 shares. I am using this 100 shares challenge that I received from Aaron over at Aaron Budgets Aimlessly to track how much the 100 shares that we're trying to purchase. And I'm doing this via my Fidelity IRA. But I also want to focus on dollar cost averaging with TD Ameritrade because I do have shares of O there. And this is one that I want to start building up as well. So I may just start with a small amount being invested automatically every single week, because we're paid weekly, so that would just be easier for me. I definitely want to start doing that. That's one of my money goals for the month of November. Again, use challenge money to buy more O, and then buy 2 more shares of O via my IRA. So with this money here, I hope to be able to do that and maybe a little bit more. This is our actual family budget. This is our budgeted income that we're going to be using, but I may be able to put more because I'm increasing my side income. I also want to share with you guys, because creating things has been a really nice outlet for me. So I created this Savings Challenges book for children. This is for ages 3 to 6. I have 2 more that are going to be coming out soon that I'm going to share with you all for teenagers and for older kids. But this one is for young children, and there are 12 goals in here. So 12 months in the year, and I separated by the season. So we have winter savings. So the first 3 months of the year will be here. And then we also have spring savings. So then you have your next 3 months, and then it goes into summer, and then it also goes into fall. But it's available on Amazon for purchase. They even have a little like mini certificate where they can write their name, or you can write their name depending where they are. You know, because this is for ages like 3 to 6, and then they can write how much they saved over the course of 1 year. So it's a really simple book. I hope that you guys would go ahead and support if you would like to. I'm actually going to be sending this out to some people, but I would appreciate your support. The more that we're able to earn and make, the more we're able to invest. And that means the more money we'll be able to give, to save, and to spend. Those are my 3 focuses for this next season. Teaching my children how to give, save, and spend. Hence the reason for the Savings Challenges books coming out. And then also teaching, you know, sharing with the community how we're investing, even with a lower income, even with a little bit at a time. Was trading at around under $60, like I mentioned, in the month of October early, and now it's trading over 60. So there's always a little bit, and they pay a really good dividend. And it's a investment that I think you should definitely do some research on to see if it's a good fit for you. But invest a little bit at a time, and make sure to do your own research, because again, this is not investment advice, but this is what I'm going to be doing. After tax investing for the month of November, it's going to be done via TD Ameritrade and Fidelity IRA. Again, using a mixture of our W-2 income from my husband's income, and then also side income from what we're doing. My note to self is I am more than a conqueror. And yeah, I'm going to be talking more about that going into the new year, because I have some ideas for some content that I want to share with you guys. And my money affirmation is my gifts make room for me. Simple and to the point. What I'm reading, watching, and listening to, I'm listening to Stocks with Larry, and I'm also listening to Mommy Trader. She has been killing it, y'all. Like, she has truly been killing it. Like, her supporter count is rising, and it's because she is really giving real honest information and is relevant to people who make a modest income or who are on a low budget right now, still teaching people that they can invest and they can plan to invest and do good for their future. So I'm really encouraged by Shalise, and I'm definitely getting a lot of good information from Larry, or Uncle Larry as he's called, on Stocks with Larry. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you are creating your investing plans as well as your budget. Budget out your investments if you're investing. Let me know down in the comments who your inspiration is for investing. I'm pretty sure most of you are probably going to say Shalise, but let me know who else you might be listening to. And thank you for watching this video. Continue to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives abundantly. Bye for now. But I also want to focus on entire book is available on my not on my website yet,